Hello and welcome back to a new video using PostHog-LLM. In this video, I will show a more advanced feature of PostHog that can help me answer a question I have regarding my datasets. The data I have here uploaded is the WildChat 1 million conversational dataset. It's a new dataset that contains 1 million conversations, but for this demo, I have about 600k conversations as an example. And as you can see here, in this time series line chart, I have data between April 23 and April 24, and I'm counting the monthly number of LLM task events. And this LLM task event represents one turn between a user and a chatbot model. It contains the input from the user with the output from the model, from the chatbot, along with other properties such as the timestamp, domain, etc. And here I have an example of such LLM task event where I have the input from the user, the output from the model, and then there's more properties for this turn. Let's go back here. And so as you can see here in this chart, PostHog automatically uses the the timestamp property to show us trends for the data. And here I have the monthly trend, as I said before, but I can also change this to a weekly trend, obviously to a daily trend, as you can see here in the drop-down menu. Now, this chart already shows data using the timestamp property, but I want to see more insights for this property, for the timestamp property. So for this video, I want to answer one question. I want to show an example of how to calculate the day of the week that has the most usage, which day of the week has the most conversations. So to answer this question, I will use a HogQL expression in the breakdown section here, and so basically the HogQL is used to query the ClickHouse database. It's the PostHog database where the events are stored. So I will use the timestamp property, and I want to extract the weekday from each timestamp, from each event. So there's a function in ClickHouse with the name toDayOfWeek where I can pass the timestamp property, and it will return me the weekdays as numbers, not as strings, and then PostHog will aggregate each value. It's very simple to see. I'll add this expression. I'll make a breakdown, and here let's change the date range for the last since the start of the year till now, for example. I'll change this to a pie chart. And here I have not numbers, but not strings, but numbers. And here number 1, for example, represents Monday, while number 7 represents Sunday, and number 6 is Saturday. So Monday here in blue is the day of the week with the most usage, while Saturday, number 6, with 13%, has the lowest. It seems that weekdays have more usage than weekends. So 7 and 6 are the weekends here at the bottom, while the weekdays are the top 5 days. I guess that makes sense. And this is how you can use a very simple HogQL expression to get insights from your shared data. I hope you enjoyed the video and follow me for more.